Back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most important skills you can learn in 2024, coding. But if you're new to it, you might feel overwhelmed. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through how to start learning coding and how to do it in the most efficient way. I'll share actionable tips, resources, and insights on how to become a skilled coder in no time. Let's get started. 1. Understand the basics of coding. Before jumping into complex projects or learning advanced concepts, it's crucial to understand the core basics of coding. These include syntax, the set of rules that defines the structure of code. Variables, storing and manipulating data, for example, numbers, text. Loops, repeating a block of code multiple times. Conditionals, making decisions based on conditions, if/else statements. Functions, bundling reusable blocks of code. Tip: start with simple coding exercises that focus on these fundamentals. Websites like Code Academy, Free Code Camp, and Khan Academy offer interactive exercises that make learning these basics fun and practical. 2. Set clear, achievable goals. Set yourself up for success by establishing clear, achievable goals. Rather than saying I want to learn to code, try setting specific milestones. For example, short-term goal, learn the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in 1 month. Mid-term goal, build your first project, like a personal website or a to-do list app, in 3 months. Long-term goal, master Python and build a data analysis project or an AI model in 6 months. Tip: break down large goals into smaller, digestible tasks. This will keep you motivated and help you track your progress. 3. Start with hands-on practice. Coding is learned by doing. It's not enough to just watch tutorials or read books, you need to practice. Here's how to approach it. Project-based learning. Instead of just solving random exercises, try building small projects. For example, create a personal website with HTML, style it with CSS, and add interactivity using JavaScript. This approach helps you apply what you've learned in real scenarios. Code challenges. Platforms like LeetCode, Code Wars, and HackerRank offer coding challenges that will help you improve your problem-solving skills and learn new concepts. Tip: focus on building simple projects first, then increase the complexity as you grow more comfortable. The more you practice, the more you'll understand the concepts and improve your skills. 4. Learn how to debug and troubleshoot. Learning how to debug is just as important as writing code. Everyone makes mistakes, but the key is learning how to identify and fix those errors. Error messages. Don't panic when you see errors in your code. Take the time to read and understand the error messages. They often tell you exactly where things went wrong. Print statements. Use print statements or logging to trace your code and check the values of variables at different points in your program. Stack Overflow. If you get stuck, chances are someone else has encountered the same issue. Google the error message or search on forums like Stack Overflow to find solutions. Tip: embrace debugging as a valuable skill. The more you practice troubleshooting, the better you'll get at solving problems efficiently. 5. Learn how to use version control. As you start writing more complex code, managing your codebase becomes essential. Git and GitHub are industry-standard tools for version control that let you track changes, collaborate with others, and keep your code organized. Git: this allows you to create snapshots of your project at different stages, and you can easily roll back to previous versions if something goes wrong. GitHub: GitHub is a cloud platform where you can store your Git repositories. It's also a great tool for collaboration, as you can share your code with others and contribute to open-source projects. Tip: set up a GitHub account early and start using Git from the beginning of your coding journey. It's a skill that's essential for every developer. 6. Focus on one language at a time. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to learn too many languages at once. Stick to one programming language until you're comfortable, and then branch out. If you're interested in web development, start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For data science, learn Python. If you want to build apps, start with Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android. Tip: choose a language that aligns with your goals. Once you're comfortable with one, transitioning to others will be much easier. 7. Take online courses. While self-learning is great, structured courses provide a more guided approach. Here are some platforms that offer quality courses. Free Code Camp offers free, project-based learning paths for web development, JavaScript, Python, and more. Udemy, paid courses that often go on sale. Look for courses with high ratings. Coursera. Don't go through this journey alone. Join coding communities to get support, share your progress, and learn from others. Here are some great communities. Stack Overflow, for asking questions and learning from experienced developers. Reddit, subreddits like r/learn programming are full of learners and experienced devs who can provide advice and resources. Discord servers and Slack channels, these offer real-time communication with other coders. Tip: participate in hackathons or coding challenges. These events are not only fun, but they also help you apply what you've learned and network with other developers. 9. Build a portfolio. Once you've learned the basics and started building projects, it's time to show them off. Create an online portfolio to showcase your work. GitHub, upload all your projects to GitHub to display your code. Personal website, build a portfolio website where you can list your projects, explain what you've learned, and even share tutorials or blog posts. Tip: focus on quality over quantity. Rather than throwing a bunch of projects together, work on fewer projects and make them polished. Employers value depth over breadth. 10. Stay consistent and keep learning. Finally, consistency is key. The more you code, the better you'll get. Set aside time each day or week to practice coding, even if it's just for 30 minutes. The more you learn, the easier it will get. Never stop learning. The tech world moves fast, and there's always something new to learn. Keep exploring new tools, languages, and frameworks as you grow. So, that's a comprehensive roadmap for how to learn coding. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to level up your skills, remember, practice consistently, seek help when you need it, and always challenge yourself. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, that's part of the journey. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more coding tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!